Ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone, especially to our subscribers and fellow believers. Today we're going to take up, in what sense, if any, is Jesus Christ subordinate to God the Father? The answer is this. Jesus Christ, the Son of God, the second person of the Trinity, is only subordinate to God the Father in his role as the God-man to accomplish the plan of God for our salvation. How? He was subordinate in that he was obedient to God's plan to the point of death, the death on the cross. And this is the doctrine of kenosis, Philippians 2:6-8. But why did writers of Scripture mention the word Father? He is called Father because in the Scriptures, the Father is the head over others in the family. 1 Corinthians 11:3. So the Father refers to headship. The Son refers to Jesus Christ's role as the God-man to accomplish the plan of God for the salvation of man. Designated the role as the Son, he was subordinate to the Father in that he was obedient to God's plan by dying at the cross. This role that he accomplished for our salvation was God the Son's purpose and function within this plan. Those are the reason why, in what sense, if any, is Jesus Christ subordinate to God the Father.